Good morning and welcome back to our channel.
I'm Sasha.
And I'm Nicola.
Today we both have the day off from uni classes, so we're just going to film a little bit of what we get up to today.
It's another day in lockdown for us, but we're going to try and make it fun, and we just got ready to go take some photos inside. Yep. We're kind of struggling to find different places to take photos in our house, but we're going to keep trying. So we found like a big white wall and we're going to try and take some photos in front of there now.
For the photos that we're going to take this morning, we thought we would try on these two dresses because they're both long and satiny, and I think they would look pretty nice together in some photos. So that's going to be our first look for these photos. So we've just finished taking some photos and we made use of the good lighting that we had this morning. But we're going to keep making some content, so we've got a couple reels that we've planned out. So we'll just see how many we can get done today. But the first one we want to do is like a coffee making video.
We're just looking at all these cool ones here. You've probably seen them before. I think they're like
so
all
pretty.
over Instagram right now, in reel forms and photos. We can probably take some photos as well. We're just like planning our recipe. What is your ideas? Like a
I make like a what is it?
Like
iced
iced
mocha.
Coffee.
It's
iced
mocha,
right?
Yeah. When you have chocolate and coffee. So I just like put chocolate powder into my coffee, but we're gonna make it a little bit fancier.
Yeah.
And then we'll film that really pretty for a reel.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I really can't wait.
I hope it turns out nice.
So we've just finished chopping up some chocolate for our deluxe iced coffee with a chocolate rim. It's going to be so delicious, but we've just finished doing that, so we'll go melt it now. Sasha's getting all the good angles of our finished coffee. It looks so delicious, I can't wait to try it.
We've finished filming our reel, so now I get to drink the iced coffee. I'm almost halfway through already, but the chocolate rim is so nice. I'm definitely going to do it more often. It was so easy and so worth it.
So it's a little bit later in the afternoon, we've had our lunch, and now we're going to make some candles, or maybe just one. I'm not sure how many we're going to make yet, but we're going to make a really cute little bubble candle. I think I've made two so far, but I definitely want to make some more. I think they're just like really cute presents, but I'm making another one now just for in our room for decor.
But yeah, so we're going to make another one and show you guys how it goes.
I've got out all the stuff that we need to make our candles, so of course we need our mold. So this mold can make 6 candles, but I'm just going to use the one today and just make one at a time. Then we've got some wicks here. These wicks are already coated in wax, so that's good. Just means that it takes out a step from the process for us. And then I've got fragrances here. One of them is vanilla caramel and the other one is just plain vanilla. And then I've got my wax here, and this is a soy wax. So the first thing we need to do to make our candle is we need to measure out how much wax we need to fill our mold and then melt.
We're pretty sure that our molds fill up to 160 grams of wax.
Yeah, if we can remember correctly. So let's just see if we remember how many grams we need. 163, 164. Should I take some out?
A few flakes. That didn't even change it.
163? Oh my gosh, really? 160.
Okay, that's close.
That's perfect. 161.
Now all we need to do is just melt the wax. So we've got it on the stove and we're using the double boiler method. So you just put water in your pan and then put this wax in a separate container inside the water, and you just stir until it melts. We should probably be doing this with a kitchen thermometer to check the temperature of the wax, because then you get a better pour, but we don't have one, so we'll just do without. Nicola's just putting the wick through the bottom of the mold.
So when you're doing a candle like this, you kind of have to like poke a hole through the bottom so that you can get the wick in and then get it to sit upright. So that's at the bottom. And then we're going to have like skewers or something here to hold that upright. And we've just got it on all these towels because you want to give it a soft surface to sit on, otherwise you get the top of your bubble candles going all flat or maybe like dinted.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully they turn out really nice and round and cute
And then
and bubbly.
You just cut the top of the wick off, right?
Yeah, and then you just cut the bottom off.
Yeah. So
when it's done,
flat on the base. It looks like Princess and the Pea over here. We've got 3 different towels under this because we really want to make sure that the bottoms don't flatten because it's a bubble candle and it's got to be round. We've just added the fragrance to the melted wax, so now we're gonna pour it in.
This is the fun part. It smells really good as well.
What fragrance is it again?
I think I used vanilla caramel instead of just
yum.
vanilla. So since it is like 4 o'clock, I don't think we'll be able to take the candle out of the mold today, but I do have one that I made a little while ago, and I just think they're so cute. I kind of got into making candles over lockdown, and we're still in lockdown, but I just think they're like really cute decor to have around. I'm gonna have one in our bathroom and then one maybe on our bedside table, and then I want to have a few on like the little cabinet that our TV sits on. But they just smell so good, and I think that with this soy wax, like you can really smell the fragrance even when it's not burning. So that's what I really like about them, and I can't wait to make more. Also, they're just like a really cute gift for friends. Alright, so we are about to do a little boxing workout. We have these pretty pink boxing gloves and pads that we got from Kmart like quite a while ago. So we've been doing this a little bit during lockdown. It's just kind of a fun workout. Like, it's so fun. It's like my favorite
very
workout.
energetic and
pretty quick as well. Like, I don't think you have to do it for that long, and you can get your heart rate up and like warm up as well, which is good in the colder months. So and that's what we've been doing to stay warm and active.
And we're always sore after it. Like,
yeah,
it feels effective
consistently. Like, I can feel it in my muscles, so it's a really good exercise.
And it's also fun because you just put on some loud music and just go for it.
Channel
so
out
we
the
usually
anger.
we usually do like 2-minute intervals, I think, and then we switch a couple times.
I just realized that I left my stopwatch on. It's been like 435 hours. How long is that? I always forget my stopwatch.
Oh my god.
Reset. Okay.
So on the menu tonight we are making Isabel Clark's vegetarian sausage rolls. Here she is, and we're just adding some seasoning right now.
Some sweet paprika, and then I'm also going to add a bit of coriander, ground coriander, and maybe a bit of cumin as well.
Nice.
It's going to be delicious. I'm so excited to try.
And I want to see how the soy sauce tastes in this, because that's what she says to add in. I feel like it will give that nice sort of salty flavour, so that's good.
Yeah, I guess I should leave out the salt then. I'll just put in a bit of pepper.
Yeah, sure.
It's after dinner now, and we're gonna watch a little movie in our room, or maybe a TV show, not sure yet. And we've got some nice snacks.
We've decided that we're going to watch Baby. We started watching it ages ago, and when we got to the 3rd season, we kind of just stopped watching it. So we're just gonna try and watch a couple episodes of that tonight and finally finish the series.